Okay, Hamsi, welcome to Just Like That.
Thank you for inviting me just like that. भीगे भीगे लम्हों की भीगी भीगी यादें, भीगे भीगे होठों के भीगे भीगे वादे, भीगे भीगे लम्हों की भीगी भीगी यादें, भीगे भीगे होठों के भीगे भीगे वादे. So, मैंने वादा निभाया. You call me on just like that, and here I am.
क्या
How are you?
बात है. I'm good, I'm good. बड़ा मजा आया, आपने वादा निभाया, बहुत अच्छा लगा.
Yes.
Where are you right now? You seem to have a lovely background behind you. Doesn't seem to be a virtual background though.
You know what? This is one of my most favorite studios. Which
Can't
is
hear you, can't hear you.
You can't?
Volume, volume. आपके सुर और आपके ताल.
अभी ठीक है?
थोड़ा और बढ़ाइए.
सुनाए अभी 100% है.
100% है तो फिर आपके वोकल कॉर्ड्स को थोड़ा बढ़ाइए.
This is okay?
Lovely, lovely, lovely. So where are you?
This is, you know what, Sahil? This is a studio called River Sound. And this is one of my favorite places because my friends Justin and Uday own this space, and itna maza aata hai when I come here to record any work. And I love, this is something they've done recently, and it's so colorful and it's so inspiring. Ye yahan aa jao and you feel you want to do something creative, and it's very inspiring, as you can see.
क्या बात है.
So that's the reason I wanted, I told you all just hang on, and I want this space, and I'm glad you waited.
Lovely. No, thank you so much. And now let's come to your childhood, right? आपकी बचपन की कहानियां बड़ी मजेदार हैं. And academics and music and sports. इन तीनों का जो रिश्ता है मुझे जरा समझाइए, हमारे व्यूअर्स को बताइए. What's the correlation and interrelation between academia, sports and music?
See, bachpan se I've been allergic to studies.
Allergic?
Seriously, yes, seriously allergic to studies. And I have always been into sports, I think thanks to my brothers, two elder brothers, and वो ऐसे bullying वो सब होता है. And I have always been inclined more towards sports. So क्या होता था when they used to defeat me, in carom or TT or badminton or anything, वो जो भड़ास है, मैं अपने batch में, like in school, in my batch, I used to remove the भड़ास and I used to win. So all that was interlinked, and it was great fun. Yeah, I'm so happy I took part in sports, and music has also been my part of growing years. But during school days, sports was my first love. And I have to say one thing, Sahil, I'm so happy that I took part in sports, because when you are into sports, तभी जीतना होता है, हारना भी होता है. And it's so important to see both. And it helps you when you grow. When you see defeat in your later years, you don't take it in the wrong sense, because you've seen it and you take it. The participation is most important. My parents always believed. They would always say, it's nothing about losing or winning, it's participation that's more important. So it's I think sports helps
Right.
grooming that part of accepting situations.
Correct. और हमसे जब आप एक्सप्रेस कर रहे थे अपने हाथों के साथ ऐसे ऐसे, मैंने एक बड़ा अच्छा सा एक टैटू देखा यहाँ. And you have both hands, or oh yeah, both hands. Wow.
Yes. Yeah. Both hands. This is my dad's first poetry, Tamil poetry for Amma. And this my mom wrote on my dad. So this is her handwriting, this is my dad's handwriting. This is for mummy for daddy, daddy for mummy. I see. Because
daddy
I have
seen
when I'm on
and
stage.
mummy for daddy. Wow.
तो क्या हुआ, I was always, and I like how tattoo is, एक नशा है. once you have it and you like it, then you want, but it should
More and
happen
more.
naturally.
Yeah,
ऐसा
yeah,
अच्छा
yeah.
लगता है. So
तो
that's how
डैडी
it
ने
is.
क्या लिखा मम्मी के लिए?
Daddy ने लिखा है यन्नदा मायम इरुक्कुदिंगे, which means, what is it that's so mysteriously beautiful about you? Yendan Yennamadil Inbam Pirappadarke. That gives me immense happiness every time I'm around you. What is it that is so fascinating about
Ah,
you? And he wrote, he composed, and he sang on their wedding day. There is a function called Nalang in Tamil wedding that happens a little before the reception time, tea time.
hmm.
So I'm very
And what?
happy. I told my parents, this is about you and Amma, and I'm here because of you and Amma. Chalo. Balle balle. because they actually suggested legendary, poet Bharatiyar's couplets. But mujhe, this is Bharatiyar and beyond for me.
And beyond for you. Beautifully.
Mm.
So well said. And what did Amma write to Appa?
Amma has written, see, mom and dad have been guru. They have been teaching music like since last 40 years. It's a form of music called Tirupugal, which is all in praise of Lord Muruga. So she has, written Tirupugal Odinar. It's a big thing. So
Hmm.
generally, I will tell you, and how he has been a very beautiful guru, always making fun of everyone, having that lighter, moments, and showed the way of honesty and like he has bloomed everyone's interest. Even if a student has had only so much of interest and fear, he has encouraged them to become a full-fledged artist, and that's how it
Right.
is.
Wow.
That
So from your
it's a
parents,
from
yeah,
Guru.
from your parents being your gurus, to
Hmm.
you actually saying, okay, let me go to the world and learn
Yeah.
from the world and coming to Sare Gamapa, TVS Sare Gamapa when we were
Ah.
kids. How did that happen?
See, when you're a singer, every time you go anywhere, people will ask you to sing. So at some point, I started getting tired of that. अरे हमसे कब है और पाट पढ़ना can you sing one song that कीर्तनम और ये भजन अरे यार बस करो ना भाई तो I was at that
I'm
age.
laughing so much क्योंकि
I
मैं
used
भी
to get
वही बोलने वाला हूँ कब गा रहे हो हमारे लिए
meaning, and especially Navratri, Golu was bhai. Every time my mom will take me to every friend's house, and it was like that is called ragging actually.
हाँ,
Actually, मगर क्या बोलेंगे? So I was actually tired of these things about music. Not that I have anything against music, but अभी सोचो तो I was just tired of this. प्लीज मुझे गाने मत बोलो ना. जब मेरा मूड है तब मैं गाऊंगी. हर बार नो हमसे पाट पाड़े. तो that was tiring. Anyway, same ऐसे ही सारेगामा का तब एक टीवी में अनाउंसमेंट आया. So everyone, very, immediately they said, Hamsi, you should take part in Saregama. I said, no more competitions. I don't know enough songs to take part. They said, just go for it. No, bas aise देखेंगे ना, select हुआ तो तभी देखा जाएगा. Then they convinced me to take part, to go for the audition of Saregama. I went full ठाट में गया. I thought, even before they know it, I'll come back home. Out कर देंगे मुझे. But you know what? I got selected, yeah. Why? Because I sang Mana Mohana Bade Jhoothe. तो पता नहीं मैंने वो गाना गाया little bit and they said you're in, you're and gone, and I got selected first round, semi-finals, and finals. And believe me, Sahil, I was crying. I was angry with my mom, my parents, for sending me because I didn't expect to reach the finals. I seriously didn't expect. I was only uh, no, just upset every time I would clear and go to the next round. I was upset and angry with myself. But during the finals, Khayyam Saab came, and I'm so glad I lost because that was the time that was the time I started taking music seriously, because I asked myself, when the whole world is trusting you and loving you for your music, there has to be something in me, and I have to start, counting my blessings for the gift that I have been gifted with. So that was a turning point, and I'm very happy. I never get tired of saying I'm very happy I lost.
And that was the turning point when you started taking your music seriously.
Yes, because I lost. And तब वो एक realization हुआ that there is something in me that, I didn't see. Well, the whole world saw. तो अच्छी बात है. That was the beginning of my musical journey. That I
Right.
took seriously. नहीं तो तब तक हाँ हुआ तो हुआ, नहीं तो no problem. वैसे थी मैं.
Got it. मुझे ये बताइए कि म्यूजिक इज सच अ ब्यूटीफुल थिंग, राइट? बिकॉज उसमें शब्द भी होते हैं, उसमें इमोशंस भी होते हैं, उसमें सोच भी होती है, उसमें मेमोरीज भी होते हैं.
Yes.
So I'm not going to ask you to sing, but do you feel like singing?
Sure. There is one song which is, do you want to hear a film song or a non-film song? What is it?
Whatever you
आप बताइए फरमाइश.
नहीं, आप जो आपका मन है, फरमाइशें तो आती रहेंगी.
ठीक है. Do you like coffee? राब्ता. Okay. This is a very beautiful song which I got from Preetama. पहली थी सियाह रातें, आया तो सुबह लेके, बेवजह सी जिंदगी में जीने की वजह लेके, खोया था समंदरों में तन्हा सफीना मेरा, साहिलों पे आया है तू जाने किस तरह लेके, कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता, कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता, कैसे हम जाने हमें क्या पता, कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता. ये जो गाना है साहिल, I have sung चमक चलो, I have sung, चमक चलो 1 2 3 4 जो भी हो, beautiful, extremely commercially, very very big songs. But when it came to Rabta, it's a very difficult song to sing because it's almost like a breathless, and यहाँ पर it's not like, it's almost like the mind is singing. अपने आप से बात कर रही हूँ, मैं जोर से बोल नहीं सकती I am in love, because I'm still wondering, is this really that character in that film, that she's so unsure about. So ये जो beautifully आपने लिखा, and ये जो textured voice, husky and textured voice, all this, my full journey that in the advertising industry, I learned a lot because I come from Carnatic classical background and a little bit of Hindustani music. That backing is different, but when I came to the studio to learn many more facets of music, I learned this, how to use the texture, how to sing soft and yet be stylish and also be very emotive. These things are very important, and some songs require this kind of a textured singing. So, and Rabta has been very special because I believe many people then wrote to me saying, your Rabta was the medicine during our crisis, during our, very bad patch.
Correct.
It's a beautiful song.
So of course you mentioned
it's a long drive song.
Long drive song, absolutely, long drive song.
Yeah.
So you mentioned that obviously Carnatic classical music, Hindustani music, that was home. Parents were gurus. There's so much of nepotism, if I may use the word, in the entire fraternity. So how did you make a mark for yourself and make it so big in Bollywood as a playback singer?
I think I just went with the flow, Sahil. I didn't plan my move. I think that worked more for me because after Saregama, I told my parents I'm going to start my music, journey, and I told them I'm going to first try and see if I get advertising, work. तो वो जब हुआ one after the other, and they were like, shocked. They said, हाँ ठीक है, 1-2 साल में फिर बाद में she'll come back to normal, and फिर कुछ और करेगी, job or something. But they didn't discourage. They have been very, very encouraging, parents. But while I was in the advertising, I met some incredible musicians. So one after the other, I just went with the flow. I have never planned my, move. हमेशा जो भी आता था, give it your 100%, and don't wait to see उस job का क्या होने वाला है. I was never like that. I would just give my 100% and move on next. So while doing all this, I met Shantanu Moitra, who called me for a very beautiful lori from the film Eklavya, Vidhu Vinod Chopra ji's movie. तो उसमें जब I sang चंदा रे, and there again when they told me Vidya Balan is going to be, in the film, the very first thing, because until then I was doing ad films, मुझे ऐसा लगा कि भाई, I hope my voice goes on her, because that's a worry, that's a very big part of playback singing. They said, of course it'll go. I said, no, फिर भी, I was a little tensed that my voice should go well on her, which did happen. And that song made many people listen to my vocals clearly. They were very, music lovers were in love with that song. And then I got my Chammak Chalo from Vishal and Shekhar, who have been my dear friends for several years. But I always believe, Sahil, that every song has a name written on it, and bas usme mera naam likha tha. And when I went, that's a different flavor.
Yeah.
Wanna be my chammak chalo. So very different from Rabta or Chandare, which is very gentle and soft. So, and then I got Yenda Yanga Poraya and Bukaniranda Ale. So I love using my voice differently, and being a South Indian, I love the Rowdy Rakama.
The Rowdy Rakama.
So वो naturally आ गया. So that's how. And it's yes. It's a very different. It's a very.
A few moments later.
Hey.
Hey, welcome back.
After the commercial break.
After the commercial break, you left us at Rowdy Rakama.
Rowdy Rakama, yes.
So सुना दीजिए कुछ. From Chammak Challo to Rowdy Rakama, let's end it on a high.
Yes. So, okay, I will sing a little bit of Chammak Challo and then go into 1, 2, 3, 4, get on the dance. ठीक है? Okay.
बढ़िया है.
2 of my most commercially big songs. Thank you, Vishal and Shekhar. I love you all. And here it is. And of course, Shahrukh. Okay, here it is. உன்னை தொட்டாலும் நுள்ளத்தை உருக்க மாட்டியோ, என்னை போல பெண்ணை பார்த்து மயங்க மாட்டியோ, கண்ணில் கண்ணை பூட்டி விட்டால் சிரிக்க மாட்டியோ, என்னில் உன்னை சூட்டி விட்டால் ஒட்டிக்க மாட்டியோ, कैसा शर्माना तुझे नच के दिखा दूं, मेरा हो जाए जब मैं पर्दा गिरा दूं, आ तुझे अखियों में अपने बसा लूं, आ तू नखरे दिखा. Wanna be my chammak chalo, oh, oh, wanna be my chammak chalo, oh, oh. So this was it, and again they wanted me for this song. पूनम की चांद को घूंघट के नीचे छुपा के लाई तेरे लिए दुनिया से नजरें चुरा के, पीछे को आगे मेरे खाई, तू ही बता जाओ मैं कहाँ, मुझ पे दुआ किसकी लगी भाई, अरे आके पधारा हूँ जो यहाँ, दिल है फिकर आजा इधर बीट पे लगा ले तू ठुमका 1 2 3 4 get on the dance
Dance
floor
floor.
get on the dance floor booty shake the pangut hardcore shoulder hitchik body hitchik gimme some more.
Give me some more. Thank you so much, Hamsi. It was so much of fun having you on Just Like That.
Thank you. I'm so glad to be on Just Like That.